Hello YouTube. Today we are making another retro system. Uh, the the star of our show for today retro system is this motherboard from AOpen. It is the motherboard is AK. Let me zoom in. AK77-600N. This is a socket A motherboard PGA 462. I think 462. Uh, it's a very old motherboard. I don't know about the processor installed underneath this cooler. We will see for ourselves. Forgot about it, but we will see. Okay, it has one AGP slot, six PCI slots, one AMR slot. AMR. It's a very old slot. Some of you guys might not remember this. Okay, the chipset under read this is via KT600, I guess, via KT600 if I remember correctly. It support DDR RAM, and I have installed DDR 256 MB DDR PC 2600 CL 2.5, I guess 2.5. There are three matching sticks of DDR, so small enough. 256 like 700 something MB. Okay, as far as the IO ports, it has two IDE floppy drive. It has a small tone or speaker, and the power connector is in very odd position. The cooler is okay. The cooler is great. Going to the IO, PS2, USB, stereo, printer port or power port, and audio. Okay, for the graphics card, we will be using this one. And this one is from AMD. No, sorry. No, it's from Nvidia. Nvidia FX 5200. 5200. Most of the people don't like this FX series, but I like it. This is the one I got. And we will be using this USB 2.0 port for quick connection. This is also from wire. I used to have it back in the day. Okay, so today we are making some changes. I will be making the whole system. Okay, this is the case that I will be using. This is a very old case, and I just have this lying around, and it was in very bad condition, so I just painted it to make it in a good condition. Let me open this. One hand operation is very bad. Yes, okay. So well, I just installed the one power supply from SPI. It is 250 watt. 250 watt. I just installed one big cooler fan, case fan in the back. The cables are connected. There is a speaker as well. There is a speaker as well. So we will be making a complete build today. Okay. So there's a floppy. This is a working floppy as well, floppy drive, and a working DVD ROM. Working DVD ROM. So wish me good luck, and let's see how it turns out. We will be installing Windows XP. and play the usual game. Planning to play Far Cry, and let's see how it begins. We will be using this is for the what can I say, floppy, and this one is for the main drive. These are also from AOpen. So it's a complete package. Let's hope for the best, and let's go for the assembly process. Let me get the IO shield. This came with the motherboard. Okay. Let's this. This is the motherboard. Let me zoom in on this. Let me get this. Supply. Done. Done. This. Wait, I think my daughter woke up. Wait. Baby duty as well, so I have to manage my daughter as well as this PC. Okay. Installing the screws, connect. Okay, this is done. Let me do cable management, a little bit of cable management. Okay. Motherboard installed. Let me do the hard drive. This is a H. This is a 40 GB hard drive. Per hard drive. Let me install this one. Yes. done. Let me install the cables. This is for the floppy. Let me do.
Okay, the wireless mic failed on me during the video process, so I will be briefing you what happened during the motherboard assembly process. The process was really smooth and there was no hiccups. The thing was that most of the components were already lying and I just have to assemble it. But there was a small hiccup during the front IO, because the front IO the assembly, like the normal pin configuration, was not the same as the normal motherboard process. So it took a lot of time during the assembly process, um, and but the rest of the system assembly was pretty smooth and everything went fine. So enjoy the rest of the video, and there will be some background music to cover this portion when I was just looking at the motherboard to find the pin configuration. Uh, Continue with the process, and I will see you at the end of this video.
しても取り方どうしても取り方どうしてもどうしても取り方どうしても取り方どうしても
connected, and the system got power. Let's have the first boot. Okay, it's spinning. It has some noise. Okay, we have a power. Okay, it says Windows 98. It has a Windows 98. I think the mouse. It is a Windows 98. I think I have installed a Windows 98 back on this system, and everything just boot right into it. Let me connect this. Okay, USB is being picked up. Yep, the mouse is working. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, it's a this one is authentic AMD Duron system, is it? Let me zoom in. AMD Duron, and this is the system. The fan is working, and it is running. It is running Windows 98. Okay, I came back into the BIOS. I don't know what happened, but the speakers are not working. I will check it again, but this is the BIOS. Let me run down some BIOS setting with you. Okay, the old BIOS, these are the settings. Today, this is the normal setting. The hard drive is being picked up, the date, everything is okay. This is the first booting device is CD-ROM. Let's make it CD-ROM, it's okay. And I think you can overclock a little bit of this system. These are integrated devices, frequency and voltage. Okay, this one runs with 1.35 gigahertz. 1.35 gigahertz, but the best thing about this 1.35 gigahertz, but the best thing about this is that this is run on DDR 266. This one is far more better than Pentium 3, I think. Okay, just save and exit. This is the second boot. Let me get the copy of my Far Cry and run Far Cry on Windows 98. Let me show you what games it has that I used to play. I used to play a lot of Age of Empires. Age of Empires 2, I think it won. This one has Age of Empires 2, The Conquerors. Let me show you the desktop. Oh, I love Windows 98. This one is The Conqueror. Look at the cinematic. Facts. These used to be the games. To tell the truth, these used to be the games. Like, look at this video, the intro video. Let me see. Oh, my account is still active. Single player, of course. Let me see, where is my saved game? Where I let's move on from this. Okay, what do I have here? Okay, this is World of Warcraft. Oh, I used to play Warcraft 3 a lot, like so much. Like I used to play it a lot. This is a zip file. Okay, I think this is all for today. Thank you again for watching. It was just a assembly video, assembling of my old system, and it was fun making it. It was just a memory lane. Let me show you the system. This is the system, and this is the
video. Thank you again. See you next time.